Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So last time we saw a few basic HTML tags that could be used to create your first HTML web page. Now in this part, I'm going to cover a few ways in which you can apply styles to that HTML page so that it could look prettier. Now, as you might have noticed, I already have added a style to this h1 tag here and giving it a font size of 48 pixels. This is called as the inline way to add a style to an HTML element. Now this is just specific to this h1 tag in here. So it is going to be a unique style to this specific h1 tag. Now let me just add another style here. For example, let's just say text align and make that center. So save. So see, that's how the style got applied only to this specific header tag and it got aligned into the center. Now the next way is to define it in the form of a style tag which goes inside the head tag itself. So let's just go and define some style here. For example, if you want to apply a background color to the body, so let's just say background color and let's give it a beige color. So in this case, the style will get applied to the body of this HTML document. So if I save this and run it, so that's how it looks. The style gets applied to the entire body of the HTML document. Now this is called as the internal way to define styles for a HTML page, because this is only going to get applied to this specific HTML page. Now if you want to apply styles to multiple pages or multiple HTML documents, in that case you will have to define the styles in an external file. This external file is called as a cascading style sheet. So in this case, let's go ahead and create that external file. Let me call it index.css. So here I can define all the styles that I want to apply and keep common to all the HTML documents. So let's just start with body, and let me give it a background color as your. So let's save this and run it. Oh, actually before that, now since we have defined the style in this external file, we need to make sure that we are going to import it here. So the way we do it is put it in a link tag. So link tag takes into itself a few attributes. The first one being rel, it's called rel, stands for relationship, and in this case we are going to just define it as style sheet, and have another attribute here which is href. This is nothing but specifying where the file is located, so it's just at the same level as the index.html. That's why you can just specify it directly. And let's save this and see if the background color gets applied. So yeah, the background color got applied. So since this is an external file, we can actually use it across multiple documents. So let's just create another test.html document and type HTML head, give it a title. Oops. Test page, and give it a body. Let's just define maybe h1 in here and say my test page. and save. So if I go ahead and add the link to include my external style sheet in here, so I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did there. href index.css. So now in this case, whatever styles are present in my external style sheet will get applied to this HTML document as well. So let's just see how it looks. So there you go. The same style got applied to two HTML documents, as you can see here. Now let's go ahead and apply a few more styles. Let's make h1, apply a font size. Actually, let's just give a font family. Whatever, we can give anyone. And for the P, let's give something font size. 32 pixel. So that'll be too big. Let's keep it 24. Okay. Now, if we go here, now we know that there's a h1 here and we have a few p tags here as well. So let's just refresh this. So there you go. You see the font size of this paragraph got bigger and the font also got updated for the header tags, and this will apply to both the pages. Now there's another thing which is quite important, is specifying an individual style, for example, to this specific p tag. If I give a font size of 30px, for example, and save it, and if I refresh this, so this got bigger but this one remained as it is. Since this is inline style that got applied to this p tag, it overwrote whatever was defined in my external style sheet. So this basically takes priority over whatever is defined in here. But now if you want the properties from, or the styles from the external style sheet to always take priority, then in that case what you need to do is just specify an important keyword in there and just say save. And if you refresh this, so see, this specific keyword means that it is always going to take priority over whatever is specified in the inline styles. So that is basically the 3 ways you can specify the styles in your HTML document. I hope you like this video and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.